Stretch your hands. Class 7 girls, big team. Arina, hands up, straight up, Zenith. Class 5, last second boys. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your hands must be up and clap to the sound. In rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inside, hands down. Standing. Attention. Standing. Attention. Hands cover up. Stretch your hands. Don't be lazy. Deepak will check your line. Hands side. Hands up. Hands side. Hands down. Standing. Body sound together. Attention. Standing. Attention. Hands covered up. Hands side. Hands up. Hands side. Hands down. Stand it deep. Attention. Stand it deep. Attention. Hands covered up. All of you check your line. Hands side. Hands up. Clap. Hands up, hands down. Now all of you be ready for national anthem. Hands covered up. Hands side. Hands up. Hands side. Hands down. Stand deep. Attention. Stand deep. Attention. Hands covered up. Hands side. Hands up. Left. Hands down. All of you be ready for this song.
Oh inside, and down. Standing, attention. Standing, attention. I would like to call respected person to this speech.
Namaste and good morning to you all. Respected principal sir, vice principal sir, teacher, brother, sister, and my dear friends. It's me, dear Kaki from grade 5, standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of Earth. Before starting my topic, I like to thank the organizers who have organized this type of program to increase the confidence level of the student. My topic go like this: Earth. Earth is the third nearest planet by the sun. Earth is a only one planet where people can, human beings can live. The Earth have a natural satellite. It is called Moon. Moon revolves the Earth round. It is about 150 million kilometer difference by the sun and Earth. At last, I want to say, Earth is a only one planet with which have water and tree. Thank you.
Good morning to you all, respected principal sir, vice principal. It's Miss Sejura Badwal from grade 5 standing in front of you to deliver short and sweet speech. Now, without wasting my time, I would like to start the speech topic on importance of education. Education is very important in our daily life. As without education, we can't do anything like reading, writing, practicing what is wrong, what is right. Without education, our life is more black and future is dark. At last, I would like to say, everyone must be educated. Thank you.
Take a line. Inside, and up, inside, and down. I'd like to call respective person for Bhakti Topala.
आदरणीय प्रधानाध्यापकज्यू, उपप्रधानाध्यापकज्यू, गुरुवर्ग, साथीभाइहरू, मेरा हार्दिक नमस्कार। म कक्षा 9 का छात्र हो। म यस वक्तृत्व कलामा भाग लिन पाएकामा धेरै भाग्यशाली ठान्दछु र धेरै नै खुसी छु। सर्वप्रथम त यो आयोजन गर्ने आयोजकलाई धन्यवाद गर्न चाहन्छु र हजुरहरूको र आफ्नो टाइम समय खेर नफारिकन म आफ्नो वक्तृत्व कला प्रस्तुत गर्न चाहन्छु। आजको मेरो शीर्षक हो शिक्षाको महत्त्व। शिक्षा भनेको सिक्ने, ज्ञान आर्जन गर्ने वा अध्ययन गर्ने हो। शिक्षा शब्दको सिक्ने, आर्जन गर्ने वा अध्ययन गर्ने, पारङ्गत हुने इच्छा वा चाहना पनि व्यक्त गर्ने गरिन्छ र हाम्रो पहिलो गुरुकुल भनेको आमाको गर्भ नै हो। हामी आमाको गर्भबाट नै आफ्नो शिक्षा अध्ययन गर्ने सुरु गर्दछौँ र हाम्रो दोस्रो गुरुकुल भन्नाले विद्यालय हो, जसले हामीलाई धेरै नै कुरा सिकाउने गर्दछ, जसले हाम्रो अधिकारको बारेमा, हाम्रो हकको बारेमा नि जनाउने गर्दछ। शिक्षाले हामीलाई आफ्नो लागि हक, अधिकार र आफ्नो आवाज उठाउने नि जनाउँदछ। शिक्षाले हामीलाई हरेक कुराको बारेमा जानकारी दिँदछ। शिक्षाको बिना हाम्रो लाइफ केही छैन अनि हाम्रो जीवनमा चाहिँ शिक्षाको धेरै नै महत्त्व छ। र अन्त्यमा यति नै म भन्न चाहन्छु कि शिक्षाले हाम्रो एउटा अँध्यारो जीवनबाट उज्यालो जीवनमा लग्दछ र शिक्षाले हाम्रो जीवनमा धेरै नै भूमिका खेलेका हुन्छ। धन्यवाद हजुरहरूको दिन शुभ होस्।
Inside, and top, inside, and down. Standing, attention. I'd like to call our vice principal sir to this.
Thank you, Aryan. Everybody,
Be active. Hands cover up. Hands side. Hands up. Hands side. Hands down. Stand at it. Attention. Stand at it. So is somebody's birthday today? No birthday? Whose birthday is there today? Nobody's. I just thought our birthday, that's why I manage those things. Anyway. So, is there any special program after one day?
Saraswati Puja.
Saraswati Puja, right? And this time, we are going to conduct Saraswati Puja a bit differently. Is that clear? Earlier, how we used to celebrate, you know? Just we used to gather, worship, have some prasad and go home. But this time, we have kept some programs. So, you will come to school as usual by 9. Then there will be worshiping program. Afterwards, we are going to honor the smart students of post 2079, and then there is one special program, that is Nepali Vaktritva Kala Pratiyogita, Nepali impromptu speech competition. So class 4, 5, 6, they are under junior, and 7, 8, 9, they are under senior. So you will get one topic and you have to express on it. It is house-wise competition, and after that competition we will find the winners, we reward them, and then you can go home. Is that clear or not? Are you ready for that special program? Yes or no? Because just coming to school, worshiping and going, I think that is not enough. You have to be something extra. Is that clear? And those who have not submitted vacation homework, they must submit today. Is that clear? And defaulters, please, you manage those chains or new jackets. You must not be defaulter every day. Understood or not? You are the students of smart school, and you yourself are smart students. Smart students must be smart. We must not remind time and again to be smart. Anubrana, is that clear for you or not? Attention. Cover up. And side. Hands up. Clap together. Especially senior students, they are very passive. Senior students can produce louder sound in comparison to junior. But why are they passive? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. That's how you be active. A bit fast. And side. Hands down. Stand a bit. Attention. Mass time. Okay, class 4.
Lale.